don't you worry. I've got lotions and potions and powders and pills. I've got all kinds of tonics for all kinds of ills. Whether itches or sneezes, or twitches or wheezes, or lumps or the bumps, or one single pimple, I'll cure it. It's simple. Here I am. Now what's the matter?
Well, my boy, he's gotten so much fatter.
And he has a stomachache. He has a stomachache. Is there medicine that he can take, Doctor? Well, look at him now. He's all red in the face. Oh, I've never ever seen such a terrible case. Oh, dear. The doctor says, let's rush him to the hospital this very minute. And put him in the bed. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Are you good? All right. I will look into his stomach. I will look into his stomach, and I will see just what is in it. Oh, dear. I see the trouble right on top. I will take it out and fix him up. It's 1 ball, 2 balls. Go slower, Daryl. 3 balls. Oh, my. I see that the swelling in his stomach is going down. I knew it, though. With just 3 balls, that would not be all at all. Are you ready? No wonder he has his stomachache. I see a giant anaconda snake. What the He ate the whole snake. Now look at this. Here is a plate of spaghetti. Oh! And there are hot dogs. Eaten before they were ready. Oh! He even ate the plate. Now look, I found a fish. A fish. Yeah, it's a flounder. And see, there's some tea in a pot. And a saucer.
What?
Oh, yeah. What is that? I'm going to grab it. By golly, it's a rabbit. Oh, my goodness. Now, imagine that. I found a cat. Oh, gross. All right. And, oh, my goodness, I think it's a boot. Put it up in the air, doctor, so we can see that it is indeed a boot. All right, go. Okay. And now it is beyond belief that little Dexter is experiencing some relief. Sit up, please, Dexter. You are a new man. Everyone's come out now because you feel better. I'm glad, doctor. Where is your sweater? Oh my gosh! Oh, he ate it. Oh, he ate it. All right, Lights on. Can someone off the Wasn't that fun? All right. So shadow plays by the fire are often really fun. That didn't take everything I needed to know I learned in kindergarten.
Yeah.
Do you remember that book by Robert Fulghum? And anyway, that's a story from when he was a teacher in a Sunday school. An actual true story of his, not Mr. Botcher's. But I think that was pretty weird to have a child. Okay. Go ahead. Not
good. Hit him again. Oh, and then do it again, Mama. Do it again. Oh, and do it again, Mama. Do it.
It looks like a tiny
Oh, yeah. Good, Mama. Sarah. Now, boys and girls, this is a story. I've never read this story in the Bible. I never have. Have you? The Gospel according to Mother Rabbit. No. But isn't this just what it's like? We say to our kids, please don't do this. Teachers say it too. Don't run in the hall. Next second, boom, there they go. So obey your parents, or a big anaconda snake will come and wrap you up. No, not true. Not true. Have you had fun so far? You sure? You're positive? Oh, good. I'm glad. I'm glad. More stories? If I weren't at CFS doing dishes, I would be pots and pans, then wash my hands. All right, think hard. I'm glad, help me with this part. I'm glad I am at CFS, it's where I want to be. 'Cause if I weren't at CFS, at ballet class I'd be. Tippy-toe, tippy-toe, yay, lee. Wash the pots, wash the pans, wash my. So now what? I'm glad I am at CFS, it's where I want to be. 'Cause if I weren't at CFS, in the bathtub I would be. Bubbles, bubbles, soap in my eyes. Mommy, help me, I've started to cry. Oh. Tippy-toe, tippy-toe, lee. Wash the pots, wash the pans, scrub my hands. I'm glad I am at CFS, it's where I want to be. 'Cause if I weren't at CFS, watching TV I would be. Commercial. Bleh. Good job. Bleh. I'm glad I am at CFS, it's where I want to be. 'Cause if I weren't at CFS, a karate class I would be. Right?
No.
No. All right, you help me out. I'm glad I am at CFS, it's where I want to be. 'Cause if I weren't at CFS,
Football practice that would be.
where? In bed I would be.
Yay!
Be quiet. Back to bed. Shh, don't bother me again. Right? Yes. That was a long break. Nope, back to bed. Sleep.